Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best soil for aloe vera plants available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Hoffman Soil for aloe vera plant. Hoffman Cactus and Succulent mix is professionally formulated to provide needed drainage, allowing cacti to flourish while encouraging maximum bloom and root development. The ready-to-use mix is pH balanced and ideal for use with both jungle and desert cacti. The complete package directions provide useful growing information. At number 5 we have Succulent Soil for aloe vera plant. This mix is made up of primarily non-organic components. This is really substrate. This has been found to provide optimal drainage, water retention, nutrient uptake and air to the roots. You can simply tear off the top, then reseal the easy-to-close resealable bag over and over until you are ready to reorder soil. At number 4 we have Hoffman Soil for aloe vera plant. Hoffman Horticultural Perlite is a lightweight soil conditioner that is specially formulated to loosen clay and reduce caking, while improving drainage and aeration, leaving behind a high-quality soil. It is designed to start seeds, propagate, cutting or store bulbs, and is ideal for blending with peat moss and perlite. At number 3 we have Perfect Soil for aloe vera plant. This specially formulated succulent soil mix provides the perfect balance of air and moisture while retaining nutrients. This succulent soil mix drains the perfect amount of water for your succulent babies. At number 2 we have Quartz Soil for aloe vera plant. It is perfect mix for all succulents and desert and jungle cacti. It contains custom blend of peat moss, vermiculite and perlite. At number 1 we have Nature's Soil for aloe vera plant. Nature's Way aloe vera inner leaf gel and juice provides the unique soothing benefits of the potent aloe pulp combined with inner leaf juice. This product contains organically grown aloe vera that is harvested at the peak of nutrient potency. Nature's Way aloe vera is guaranteed fresh. Because aloe nutrients deteriorate when exposed to oxygen, Nature's Way aloe vera is bottled using a unique nitrogen process to eliminate oxidation and preserve potency. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best soil for aloe vera plants for your need.